How to add a new payee in Truist Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a new payee in Truist Online Banking so you can pay bills directly from your account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once you're inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for the Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you simply have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in with your credential and once you're logged in on the main dashboard, you simply have to click Bill Pay from the top or the side menu and this is where you manage and add pays. Now there you simply have to look for the add pay button and click on it and this will open a form where you can enter the payee details. So there enter the payee's name, account number and billing address exactly as shown on your bill and this ensures that your payment goes to the right place. And once you're done with that, you simply have to review your details for accuracy and then click Save Payee and Truist will confirm that your new payee has been added. And now you can select your new payee from the bill pay list and enter the amount and choose the payment date and click Submit and that's it. That's how you can add a new payee in Truist Online Banking. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.